Good morning children. In your previous video I had explained you how to write a fraction into a decimal number and how to read and write the decimal number. Now in this exercise you are going to learn about expanded form of decimals. Now children, expanded form of decimals is written according to the place value chart of the decimal. Now I am going to show you here again how the chart is prepared. Now this is a decimal place. Now before the decimal place, that is on the left side, you have whole numbers, that is 1, 10 and 100. So this is whole number. Now after the decimal you have the decimal part, in which this is 10th part of the whole number. So you are going to write here like this: 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100 and 1 upon 1000. Now children, this is also read as and written as 1/10th, 1/100th and 1/1000th, as here it is written. Now when you have to write a number, I'll give you example of one number, that is 378 decimal 27. Now you have to write this in the expanded form. So you will see it here in which place this number is. So here you have the decimal number. Before that you have 378, means 3, you will write here 300 and then plus 7 70 plus 8 decimal 2 10th plus 7/100th. This is one way. The other way is 300 plus 70 plus 8 and then you will write here plus 0 2 0 decimal 2 plus 0 decimal 07. These are the two ways, children, in which you can write the expanded form. Now next you have like and unlike decimals. Now in like decimals and unlike decimals, the difference is in the decimal place, and there is a method by which you can change it into like decimal. Now see here you have 2.73 and then here you have 3.462 and here you have 1.73. Now children, these are unlike decimals, and here you have 2.63 and 3.74. So what are these? They are unlike decimals and they are like decimals. Why? Because here you don't have the same decimal places and here you have the same decimal place. So they are like decimals. Now you have to convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. What you do is you add a 0 here and you will get 3 places. So 2.730 and 3.462 1.730. This is how you will change the unlike decimal into like decimal. So make it clear that in like decimals you have the same number of decimal places, and in unlike you don't have the same number of decimal places. For that you will add the number of zeros is needed and you will convert it into like decimal. Next, children, is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now in this, children, you will do simple addition and subtraction. Only the thing which you have to see is that the decimal place should not change. It should be in the same place. I am going to give you one example of addition. Now you have a number here 3.67. So the next number is 2.7. Then you have 4.01. Now when you have to add, children, you can write here 0 also. If you don't want, you can do it. If you have understood, you can do it straight away. But if you haven't understood, you change this into like decimal. Now you will add 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 7, 13, and you will put the decimal place here and carry 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 4, 10. You will get it like this. Then you have subtraction. Here also you will see the decimal place should be in the correct place. You have 8 and then 7.4. Now children, again, if you want, you can write here 0 so that it is easy for you. So 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. So this is how you have to do. Now in multiplication, in multiply, you have a number like 7, 3.4, and here you have 2.3. Now children, you will multiply. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 3s are 9, plus 1, 10, carry 1. 3 7s are 21 and 1, 22. 4 2s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 7 2s are 14. Now what you are going to do is add 2, 8, 8, 6, 1. Now after doing all this, children, now you are going to count the decimal places. You have 1 and 2. So you will put the decimal point here in the answer, and your answer will be 168.82. Now I am going to explain you division. In this also, the decimal place should not change. Here you have a number. You have 81 divided by 9. Now you will see, you will write here, this is 8.1 divided by 9. Now write here 8.1 and divide by 9. Now 9 will divide 8? No. So you will write here 0. 9 zeros are 0. Bring down 8. Now you will put the decimal point here and bring down 1. Now you will divide 81 by 9. 9 9s are 81. And subtract, you will get 0, 0. What is your answer? 0.9. So you see here that the decimal place doesn't change. It will be in the same place, only you have to see where you have to put the 0 and where you have to divide and write the answer. So children, this is all about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. I will send you the solved exercises which you will do in your maths book. Thank you.